piggyback question. And this is the same question both parties. What do you get from it? Yeah, exactly that. What do you get from being able to do this?
When it comes to music, bro, it released everything, every demons, every fucking sadness, every joy, every empathy that I had as far as music, bro. Like it released everything for me, bro. Like, and I don't like to write nothing that's not being done in my life. You feel me? So if y'all go back and then be like, yeah, yo, I heard boom, 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 this bar, da da da, boom, boom, boom. Did you really like gone through this shit? Yeah, I went through all that shit, bro. Like